Hey guys, today I want to share my absolute favorite enamel pins from Nextpins. These are serious next level when it comes to quality and design. Let's take a look. So I got two. The round shape, like rainbow, and let's open. Whoa, it's such a high quality. Well, first, let's talk about the insane craftsmanship. The soft enamel finish is so smooth and luxurious with that perfect nickel-plated metal base that gives it such a premium feel. Look at these fine lines. Every detail is razor sharp, and do you see the color? Unbelievably vibrant. Whenever you are wearing them or displaying. And the butterfly clutch on the back is super secure. These pins are built to last with scratch resistant, so it means waterproof and fade resistant features. It's enough if you want high quality pins that actually stand the test of time. This is the brand to go with. Seriously guys, check out Nextpins, you won't be disappointed. So it looks good on my clothes, like that. Also, I pinned this to my back. It's easy to pin them to there, and it actually looks good.